Yeah. Go and move that tree so we can set up the table for the bells. Okay, now move on, stupid appearance.
Miss, I've got my hand up.
Yes, Tracy Snedden, I can see that you've got your hand up. The glare from your sovereign rings are practically blinding me. What is it that you want?
Is it true that you can't get pregnant if you have sex standing up?
Is this a joke?
I'm serious, miss. That's what I heard.
Who said... Tracy Snedden, the day you stop coming into this classroom looking like you're dressed to turn tricks in a Turkish bordello, that's the day I'll be prepared to answer your so-called serious questions about standing up.
Hey, miss. Sometimes you hear a lot of different stories about it, and it's hard to know what to believe. You'd think a biology teacher would tell you straight what the facts are.
Yes, well, I suppose I should be sharing the wisdom of my experience. Here, that's not what I meant. Now, to answer your question, Tracy Snedden, yes, you can be impregnated if you are in a position that's erect. Right, that's enough. When I say that, erect, I mean, it's not erect, I don't mean... There's the bell, and I must go to another class, that's it.
Miss, this is your class?
Yes, I've left a pie in the oven, and that's the phone ringing too, so bye.
Here, do you mind this one, right? Well, hello there, and how do you do? You're the prettiest lady I've seen. Well, it seems to me that recently you must have been a beauty queen. We're gonna buy you a drink. Do you enjoy champagne? Well, baby, this one's for free.
Oh, what's it gonna take for you and those ditties to come back home?
No need to wrap them to come back home with me.
Love songs a bit touchy.
Aye. What are you doing up so early?
Well, if it was any of your business, I'd tell you.
Yes, sir.
Well, if you must know, I'm waiting on a letter. Anything for me, pal?
Oh, aye. Hey, give me a minute. Cash and carry rubbish and all that. That's not for you. Aye, 3. Lecky bill and a gas bill. Now that's a bastard when they all come together like that. Happy rights.
Cut. That was great, guys. That was great. What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Ronald Villiers.
The script says, Ronald, that you say I3.
All right. Script?
Not that's a bastard, all their bills coming up.
I didn't realise there was a script.
Of course there's a script. You say I3. That's the
All
script.
right. So I used to work on the high road. They never use a script. They just walk on, say what they like, and then they just make script.
Can you go back to your first position, please?
I never did.
Okay. Just make sure that second letter is featured, all right?
All right.
You've got to hold that up.
Right, okay.
Because we're going to go close up on that.
Oh, yeah, close on
It's
that,
important.
Right? Oh, that's okay. Right, no bother at all.
First.
Okay. You, Johnny B.
You go to your first position.
You, Johnny B.
Ronald, please.
I was told I was going to be working with Johnny.
Please. You go again?
Where from?
From your line, anything for me, pal. Okay, great. Ready?
Are we ready? And action. Anything for me, pal?
Aye, 3.
Anything for me, pal?
Aye, 3. And one of them's a very, very important letter.
Cut. Can we get another postman?
What's the matter with that? Is that me sacked?
No, we'll get something else for you to do.
Oh, I'm getting something else to do. Panic now. You can keep that in if you want. Postman sacked, that'd be a good gag. Good to have a bit of comedy in it. Oh, who's for sale? Big question is it offers over or a fixed price? Because there was one in the corner there. Offers over 72, went for 92.
Cut!
What's that?
No, we'll get something else for you to do.
Something else to do, yeah, it's not bad. At least I'm not sacked. Bloody sea's kicking my starfish in.
You didn't up so early.
Well, if it was any of your business, I'd tell you.
Suit yourself.
Well, if you must know, I'm waiting on a letter. Anything for me, pal?
3, mate.
Cheers. Oh, here. I recognise this writing. Do you?
Well, class, trust you had an excellent Christmas break.
For my Christmas, I got a Xbox, a joystick, steering wheel and 6 games.
You're a very lucky boy, Billy.
For my Christmas, I got a mountain bike. It had 14 gears and I also got a rucksack and a tent.
Very lucky girl, Jenny. What did you get, Thomas?
I got a puppet. My dad made it. It's got pipe cleaners for legs and cereal boxes for feet.
Man, that's shit.
And welcome to Channel 5's Top 100 TV Lingerie Moments. Here's just a sample of what's coming up and off tonight.
What's this, Mutt, you're watching?
Underwear.
Get that off! What are you hiding there? Have you got a stoner? No. Lift that cushion. Lift that cushion and let me see. Hurry up! You dirty wee bastard! Get in here! Move.
What?
I'm sitting there with a big stoner.
Lift that cushion! Pick up! I started! Why have you done this to us?
Hello, Ma. Ma, I'll need to phone you back. Johnny's got a stoner. Aye, a stoner.
Do your granny noise!
It's wee Johnny. He's got a big stoner. Get the coats. We need to get over there.
This is absolutely fantastic, Hilary.
In the winter, this section is entirely closed.
That'll save on the heating bills.
Yes, indeed. However, once the renovation is complete, we'll open this wing up to the public and it practically pays for itself.
Oh, lovely.
We have some painters in at the moment.
Oh, fair enjoyed that turkey dinner.
Aye, that was smashing, love.
Well, all I want to do now is collapse in front of the telly.
Oh, quite right.
So, what's on then?
Ben-Hur or E.T.?
What's on the other side?
EastEnders. Seasonal message. Pop the Pups. Featuring Shakira, Oasis, and Sugar Babes. And it's celebrity stars in their eyes.
Six rolls and sausages, mate. A chicken breast stuffed with foie gras wrapped in vine leaves on a bed of couscous.
I don't any chicken breast stuffed with foie gras wrapped in vine leaves resting on a bed of couscous, mate.
No. Just use our own sausage in, mate.
I've only been going out with him for 6 weeks, Mrs. Muir. I never knew he took stoners.
All right, Johnny.
You know me, I never great. Never even great. My dad died. The son sitting there in a store and I didn't see that store. I didn't see it.
That's it. I gave him a story. I'll tell you something, he's no son of mine. He's dead to me.
Oh, Percy! Percy! That's right, you pair of Percys. Look down here. Can you help me out here? I'm trapped underneath my big fat wallet. Can't shift it for all that money that's inside. Come on, give us a dig out. There's a pound coin in it each for you now. Come on now, you're not enjoying Big Jock's comedy, you couple of skint, starving Percys. I could buy and sell the both of you. Come on, crack a smile. How much are you earning a year?
Leave this joke, eh?
Oh, Percy! What's that you've got there, Percy?
£10, Jock.
Oh, 10 pence. I didn't know they made them anymore. Well, you learn something every day. Let's have a look-see, shall we? What's this? Well, Percy's £100 note. In it goes. Oh, look, the fruit machine's not accepting Big Jock's small change. Oh, well. You have a nice Christmas dinner, Percy?
Yes.
As did I. Me and my wife and a brand new silicone implant. Sold the Christmas cracker, Percy. Out fell a joke. Couldn't eat my £45 turkey for laughing. Couldn't get a breath. Do you know what the joke was, Percy?
No, Jock.
Your December wage slip. Big Jock hasn't laughed that hard since your daughter turned up for her first day at school with Big Jock's son's hand-me-down shoes on. All right now, cock an ear now for Big Jock. Got an important announcement to make. Yous are all a bunch of Percys, and my wallet's heavier than all your fat wives put together. Big Jock, the king of comedy. Who's the daddy?
Big Jock.
Come on now, I said, who's the daddy?
Big Jock.
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 Cracking cardboard cutouts, mate.
Have you got Darth Vader?
Yes.
You get Yoda.
Have you got Doogie Vipond?
No. Look, if you're no interested...
OK, well then. Have you got Mr. Spock?
Yes.
Have you got Captain Kirk?
You get Lulu.
27.99 each a pair of widos. I'll take cash.
All right, Davy. All right. Are you going up to the High Court, aye?
Aye.
What are you going to say?
Just gonna say the truth, man. Big Shanksy done it.
Aye, man, you're right. Big Shanksy was out of order, man, glissing that bird's sharn in broad daylight, man.
I'm not taking the fall for him. He's getting grassed up.
Yeah, you're right, man. Let Shanksy take the fall.
All right, boys.
All right, Big Shanksy.
You better know grass is up.
No, it's Shanksy.
We never saw you, Shanksy.
Aye. All right, Sam. How's your face? We're all you pricks the jury, aye? Better know grass is up.
This isn't right, man. You should have been taken to the courts with a police.
No.
was a total joke.
Tell me about it.
All right, mate.
All right, Shanksy.
It's the Two Blinds Mice. They just love Squeak's blinds. They're jumping for joy at our prices. A set of shitey bendy plastic blinds for only £77. That's a shitey set of blinds big enough to cover a window in Berlin. Of course, if you live in a house with normal windows like everyone else, it'll cost fortunes. So that's a set of minuscule, shitey, bendy, jail window-sized blinds. Only £77. Squeak's blinds. That'll do nicely.
Officer, I'd like to report an incident. I've just been terribly insulted.
Who insulted you, madam?
Those two vagabonds there and Lulu.
Oh, Gary, are you all geared up for the fall boon-up?
I want the complete vindaloo.
Hotter than a dodgy video out of the Paddy's Market.
Spicier than a menage a trois letter to the Just June page.
Gary, I can feel my ring piece stinging already.
I want it mad, nippy, napalm, burny hot.
We are interested in your Ruthie Murrays.
Have you any specials, Owen?
Right, boys, see if you want it full bung, go for the spicy lamb bunna, that's dead popular. Or the spicy beef vindaloo, that's a big favourite and all. Or the chunky sagaloo, see if you're on veggie, that's magic. But if you're no, haggis pakora, that makes a cheeky wee starter. Then you fire in with the tandoori prawns, or your old pal chicken tikka. But give a buzz if you want a shot on the staff curry, but that's no fear novices, no.
That sounds delightful.
Right, we'll have 2 chicken Marylands.
You know what you're doing?
Oh, curry schmurry.
We're only here for the banter. We're heading up to Reflections tonight.
Of course. It's Friday night, isn't it, eh? When you walk in and we've got that, man. Down Periscope. What have we got here? Oh, you're a honey. Pew, torpedo. Mission accomplished.
Cruising in, 1,500 feet. Oh, babe, at 9 o'clock, got you in my sights.
Here, it's dark in here. Night vision goggles, enemy captured, prisoner of love. Grenade in! Fire in the hole!
In the year 2345, the Federation of Planets opened a Starfleet Academy near Carnoustie in Scotland. 4 years later, its first graduates emerged to find themselves rewarded with the command of Starfleet's newest and most powerful vessel, the Ion Impulse-powered Aurora.
Right, Ensign, he's what, Vector 10? We'll open this big bastard up and see if it is shit off a shoulder enough.
No danger, get your belts on.
No captures wearing belts like a bunch of big poofters.
Yep.
What?
Won't you let us go with the replicator? I'm starving.
Aye. As long as you bring us back a mug of Royal Game Soup and a couple of ciders.
Captain!
What now?
They're a wreck big hoorie, a spaceship coming towards us. You want to see the bastard? The size of the thing is a good yin or twice sizes bigger than your skin.
These graduates never backed away from conflict, as they were fearless and highly trained.
I tell you, 4 in a your pistol stick, it's not your clacker back.
What you doing, you dafty?
Well, I'm just saying I go on holiday, camp them holiday daft, Ken. Oh.
Take a journey into the unknown with Captain McConnell.
Set faces to Malky.
As number 1, O'Donnell.
It's like hee-haw I've ever seen afore, Captain Ken.
Dr. MacDonald.
He's dead, Captain. Stone dead. No pulse or nothing. Will you stop kicking at my arse, you pervert?
Ensign McCabe, the android. And McDade, the communications officer.
Captain, We're meddling with forces we can't possibly comprehend.
You can find your gagging for it, eh?
You have a chance of getting your hole. You're an android, you've cack on knob.
In 60 seconds, we will board your ship, and you will surrender your vessel to us.
Oh, go on, dirty talk pish.
Taysiders in space, in amongst yous.
Excuse me.
Happy New Year, doll.
You've got him well trained.
Looks like a Benson to me.
Henpecked.
Devil.
What did you say there?
How can I help you?
I want a refund with the Lecotrox no quibble guarantee.
Refund, certainly, madam.
The Lecotrox no quibble guarantee guarantees you a no quibble refund. Right enough.
No trouble with quibbles here.
We're quibbleless.
Zilch quibbles in the house.
Oh, the quibble has left the building.
Quite literally, no quibble.
100% dequibble.
Quibbles nil point.
Oh, is that a quibble?
Right then. Can I get my money back then, please?
Sorry, no can do.
You said no quibble at Lecotrox.
Well, Lecotrox aren't quibbling.
But we changed hands at Christmas, hen.
We're Pluggatrox now.
So, you could take it up with one receiver.
Or maybe you'd like to buy a brand new TV with Pluggatrox's no quibble guarantee.
Guaranteed peace of mind.
Forget it. You people are scum. Come on, George.
No wanting batteries through your strap on.
Special offer.
That's £38.40.
He's a gobble.
Do you have to go in here? Look, I promised my ma we'd pop in, say hello.
Come away in.
Yeah, come on in.
Come on.
I love visitors, eh? Right, come on in and sit down.
What a night we've planned for yous.
And you'll not go thirsty either. I've got red cola there, and what's the other one? Pineapple light. How about that? What will you have?
Actually, Mr. Jarvis.
Ta-da! I thought we'd have a wee game of Monopoly.
Monopoly. You have to watch him, because he buys all the stations. He's a great player, aye. Right, hey, sit down. Take your jackets off. Come on.
Actually, we're not staying. We're just popping in.
Hey?
We've got a party to go to.
Aye, you would have, aye. Where's that, then?
His house.
Oh, aye, right, all the young'uns. Having a good time, the young'uns, aye. Look, why don't you stay for a wee hour? We never get to see you. They're getting that big,
I can't. My pals in it.
I suppose you've a bigger fish to fry than us, eh?
Oh, it's not that.
Stay for a wee half hour, eh? Come on, have a wee glass of juice.
Victor, look at the bloody size of it. It's a beer they're after. We've got a tin of beer. You can split a beer, eh?
Aye, a beer.
Aye.
Stay for a wee beer. That's what you take, isn't it?
Aye.
Here's us old fogies offering you juice.
Mr. McDade, please.
Wait and enjoy yourself, then.
Aye. I'll just hold you back now. Have a good time.
We nearly had them greeting there.
1 minute, 30 seconds. How long was it last year?
1 minute 45.
Fucking Monopoly! Have a drink.
Aye, lovely now.
Got these 40s back from the chemist. Remember that mad holiday I was on with the wife?
Oh, quality, man, quality.
Steaming. Paralytic.
Quality, man.
Hungover. Oh, wear silly on the beach, swimming costume on, eh? Scrubs up well, didn't she?
Oh, she's a darling, man. Total darling.
Total model.
Total stunner.
Total honey.
Total babe.
Total doll.
Here, do you mind if I take that photo home for a wee chug?
Magic.
This is great.
Oh, she's steaming.
Oh, is she thirsty?
Oh, I got a drink.
Bye.
Oh, Ash.
Hola.
Oh, it's about shopping time.
This shortening time. Velashe Locan. Velashe Locan, smash it!
What about the polas?
Polas. It's a polas there.
Look, Ash. Takes photos.
Oh, it's mental, man. He's a...
Oh, no. I'm going to send that, man.
Quality, man. Quality. Who'd you send it to?
You, man.
Rory, it's been some hike, but we're finally here.
I'll give you that, Alistair. Certainly some hike, yes.
And at first glance, you may say to yourself, what's of interest to see here?
Well, you may say that, but of course, like all the rest of Scotland, just underneath the surface bubbles a fabulous history.
Indeed. In 1824, two farmers quarrelled about where one's land ended and the other's began.
And the result of that quarrel was that they built a makeshift fence, a border, if you like, to separate the territories.
And this very fence stands as evidence that the dispute is far, far, far from settled.
But the hillwalkers are allowed to cross the fence, because both the landowners appreciate that it would be silly to let their dispute hinder people's enjoyment of this beautiful country.
However, Rory, it's common knowledge amongst the hillwalkers to get themselves over the fence by 3 o'clock, because at that time, it's electrified.
Couple of fannies.
You join us just before kick-off in the final of the Ayrshire Interpub League Five-a-Side Cup. The teams are going through their final preparations.
Right, boys, in we come.
And
Let's
there's
go.
the Coburnie Arms going into their huddle.
Get wild into this scum. Straight for a start, 110%.
And I think the new Cumnacoll bastards are about to do their hacking.
Ah! Get up, you
Hailing all frequencies.